Good morning. I'm here on the Mighty Lucky back roads with a Fantic Caballero Rally 500. This was a loaner from Ciclo Supplies Co. Check them out. Best moto supplies you can get, highest quality. And I'm taking the bike out to explore some provincial roads and some muddy roads and some river crossings. See how it handles. So far, I'm very impressed. It's a great bike. It's a lot of fun. They are not yet for sale in the Philippines from a dealer, but they are going to be soon. Again, Ciclo Supplies, if you want information or you want to check out anything they've got. Great people to talk to. So, let's take a ride. Thing rides just like a dirt bike. Awesome. So light. Slippery. Ugh. Luckily, the bike is super easy to pick up, and it fell apart. No damage. Let's try this again. Look at that scenery. Not deep at all, but the crossing is over there. This whole bank is a bit high for my taste. I'll turn it around and ride the other way. Show you how easy this bike is to turn around. Put the foot peg on the rock like so, lean it back, give it a spin. That's all it takes. 150 kilos. Spins like there's nothing to it. And before I get back into the deep mud, I am gonna deflate these tires a little bit. They've been a bit slippery on the super muddy parts. And I don't want to take another spill on this bike. We've got the Michelin Anarchy Wild, which are so far proven to be really great tires, but I would like a little less pressure in the mud. That's it. All right. Run, puppy, run. Move, 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 buddy. Just get off the trail. Thank you. Hello, little cow. Try not to splash the locals. Morning. Look out, duck. Uh-oh, traffic jam. Providence traffic jam. Foldable mirrors. Awesome. So that's it. End of ride review here in Tenai Highlands Coffee. Who has a fantastic view. What it's designed for, it's just about perfect. I want one. I would love to have one and trail it all over the place. It's one of the best bikes I've ridden on a trail. It's for a 500cc, feels just like my 250 Honda in weight, with more torque and more power in first gear. I have no complaints about it. All I would say is that if you're planning to get one and do long road riding, hard seat, hard shocks, hot exhaust, you will feel it on the road. But other than that, for what it's designed for, it's about as good as you can get. And I can't wait until they bring it here in the Philippines. Thanks for watching.